Hello and welcome to Storeino. Today we will see how we can add blog posts to our store. Posts in articles has become really a necessity for our store today because it really helps us get improved in the search engine ranking. So go and click on blog. First of all, we need to set up our categories. Click on categories, then new category. It's really easy to set up. Only put a name. The URL will be generated from the name and put a description for your category. For example, let's say electronics. You will see that the URL is generated. If you have a collection of electronics, you can edit the URL electronics posts, for example. Then put a description if you like and click on confirm. Now you have successfully added a category. Go back and click on posts. You will see that I don't have no post in my store. Click on new post. You will see two tabs, the post information and the post content. First of all, let's fill out the post information. The title of the post, as you see, the URL is generated automatically from the title. Then the status, I'm gonna make it publish. Then select the category that you have already added. Then select a picture for your blog posts. That's it. Now add a description for your post. I'm gonna add a description like this and add a content to the blog post. As you see, if I click on confirm, I will have an error of the description. The description is too long, so make sure that you put a small description like this, for example. Then click on confirm. Now you have successfully set up a blog post. Let's see in our front end. Scroll down and you will see blog posts, and there is the blog post. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in other tutorials.